Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Well, this is just a update on what we made today for dinner or breakfast. We made pancakes, and I'll have the recipe link below the video. And we're gonna put some strawberries on top. So there you have it. So we have a strawberry almond flour pancakes this morning, and we thought we'd give it a try, a taste test. I never had them with strawberries before, but I thought it'd be different. Now I'm using frozen strawberries, and I softened them up a little bit in the microwave for about a minute and a half, and put a tablespoon of butter on them. And this made 5 pancakes, by the way, because I made huge ones. The first time I flipped them, I didn't wait long enough. But after I flipped them on the other side and cooked them, and I flipped them on the other side again, they cooked all the way through. And then the last 2 that I made quite large ones, as you can see. And I had no problems flipping them, and they cooked nice for me. And I just flattened them down a little bit with the spatula. And this is the final product. And I'm going to take a photograph of that and enjoy my dinner.